The flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois. Special
173.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash. Flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois. Flood warning for southeastern heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen over the past few hours across parts of the warned area, with additional thunderstorms producing torrential rain moving into the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Joliet, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Englewood, South Shore, East Chicago, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Joliet, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Englewood, South Shore, East Chicago, Sherrville, Hobart, Lansing, Oak Forest, and Crown Point. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area over the next 1 to 2 hours. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Expect flash flooding of creeks, ditches, canals, and storm sewers, as well as roadways, underpasses, farmland, and other poor drainage areas. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most